Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your payment information on the Grubhub app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay with credit card, PayPal, Cash App, or Venmo. How do you actually go ahead and update your payment information on the Grubhub app? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Grubhub app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner, then click on Payment, then click on Add New Payment. So this is where you can select your payment type between Venmo, credit card, Amazon Pay, Cash App Pay, and PayPal. So for example, if we click on credit card, just enter your credit card information, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and update your payment information on the Grubhub app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.